Hey y'all, hey, it's Beachin with the Boones, and today we're right down here in beautiful Broadway at the beach in Myrtle Beach.
And we're going to check out Landry's right here, right beside Wonderworks.
That's right. Let's go check it out. So we're trying to open our palates for more of you seafood lovers or seafood foodies and all that, so we can kind of show you an idea, because I know Myrtle Beach and Myrtle's Inlet and all that are real big on seafood, and a lot of people ask, where's the best seafood restaurants around?
And so since we lived at the beach, we figured we might as well start eating fish.
And that even includes sushi for the first time at Wicked Tuna, and it was good. I like the spicy tuna. A spicy tuna roll is what I got. It was good.
And I'd rather have a spicy meatball.
Me too. So if you bring your drinking cup in here, like you know I love to have my water because I'm supposed to drink a lot of water, make sure that you dump it out and bring it in here empty.
So you're not allowed to bring outside drinks in here. Okay.
Because they will dump it for you. Even water.
They have shareables, they have the gardening kettle, sandwiches, shellfish, platters and pastas, steaks and poultry, and they have mocktails. Okay.
Okay. They also have their delicious looking cocktails. And
look at that. So you can get a mocktail
here they are.
or a cocktail.
And I think I'm going to go, for some reason I've been loving all the sangrias, so I am going to try a peach one.
Let me flip through real fast.
Okay. Well, that looks delicious too.
Yeah, that. Or that.
They have Mai Tais, daiquiris, and hurricanes. They also have a fancy Long Island punch.
All right, so in here they have many tables, lots of seating, booths as well. And in a few minutes, we'll check out the outside dining area, which is seasonal. And they have, outside on the patio, they have a little bar. Look at that blue water. But they said this is seasonal, so we'll check it out later in the year. You can obviously pull these curtains here for privacy if you want to have a private party. Back here in the back. Super nice place. Look at all the sharks and fish on the wall. And I know they have one of these in New Orleans, which this looks like it could be the French Quarter. Not sure.
And look, for the perfect finish, they have a good, delicious dessert drink, Bailey's.
Okay, so I'm gonna go with the blackened mahi sandwich. It's got tomatoes, mixed greens, and remoulade, which is like a spicy mayonnaise.
Take a look at that. So that is a peach sangria, and it is very tasty. Very spring-like, summery drink. Refreshing. So, cheers. So, since I'm going to go with the clam chowder for my entree, I am going to try the fried alligator bites as an appetizer.
And here are the fried gator bites.
Yummy. And let's take a look. And I'm going to cut one open for y'all. Uh-oh. There we go. Look at that. Looks like it might have a little heat to it. Looks delicious. And it smells delicious too.
You gonna dip some of that
I
sauce?
will. And let's go in for the big dip. Ready?
Mm-hmm. Mm-mm.
Okay.
Tell us what it tastes like.
It's very good and not too fishy. So it's a nice, good, spicy. The mayonnaise is like that spicy mayonnaise, and it is very good. And it has a little bit of
sauce, you mean?
The dipping sauce is very spicy, and it has a Dijon taste to it. Like it said, Dijon alligator bites.
Yum.
The clam chowder. That looks delicious.
The black and mahi sandwich. It's got tomatoes, mixed greens, and remoulade.
Beatbox the sandwich, and we're about to open it up for you. Ready?
Ooh, look at that. Black and mahi.
That looks delicious.
Delicioso.
All right.
Yum. Okay, so for me and Bunny B, our bill comes out to $69.70 after Horry County taxes, Myrtle Beach taxes.
Well, there you have it. That was a look at Landry's right here at Broadway at the beach. Hope you enjoyed this video as much as we did making it.
That's right. It was very good food. If you like seafood, this is one of the places you can hit when you're down here in Myrtle Beach. Make sure you like and subscribe. Keep up with what's going on around the beach so you can keep beaching.
See you in the next video.
I'm trying to figure out if alligator is a seafood.
I think it is because there have been alligators in the ocean.
It's a saltwater croc.
Yeah, it's a spicy tuna roll.
Tuna roll. Was it just as good as a spicy meatball?
Oh no, it wasn't that good. It's very windy over here. Hold on. Hey y'all, hey, it's Beachin With The Boones. Let me do it side. We're down here in beautiful Broadway at the beach in Myrtle Beach. And we're gonna go take our shot at Landry's.
Landry's.
Hey y'all, hey.
You starting again? Okay. So I went with the black and mahi sandwich. It has tomatoes, mixed spring greens, and remoulade. Romulan. What is remoulade? Remoulade.
As you can tell, we're not foodies.